proceed in holding the baby, you must observe proper hand hygiene. First one is cradle hold. You must gently support the back of the baby into his neck and into his buttocks. Lap hold. First, lift up the baby, support his back, neck, and buttocks. Go in a sitting position. His head must be on your knees, and you must tackle his feet on their hips. The third one is hip hold. Gently lift up the baby. Put him near on your hip bone and gently support his back and neck so you can see or hear the surroundings. And those are the steps on how you lift a baby. Thank you. Good day, I'm C. Dante Espardo and I'm here again to show you the steps on burping the baby. I'm going to show you the first step, which is shoulder hold. You need to have a burping cloth into your shoulder and then hold the baby upright into your shoulder, supporting his back and buttocks. Just like this. And by rubbing his back and tap it in, it's gonna make him burp. The second one is face down on your lap. And to hold the baby, go on a sitting position, putting face down on your lap. Support his back and chin and chest. Rub his and her back or tap it in. Sitting down on your lap. Have a burping towel on you. Gently hold the baby. Carry him inside your lap. Put in a towel. In a sitting position, position the baby. Rub his head back and tap it in. And those are the steps on how to burp a baby. This is C. Dante Espardo. Thank you.